How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing excellent. And what about you? How was your
Yeah,
morning?
I'm doing well. My morning is very good. You can say that I spend a lot of time with my family. Thanks for
Okay.
asking. And what's about you? How was your
Yeah.
day?
Yes. Fine and little bit I'm under the weather. So I'm
Okay.
feeling, little cough and fever. Yeah, but okay. My voice also heavy little.
You have taken medicine?
Yes. And even I taken also injection.
Wow. But right now, how are you feeling?
Little I have also cough and even chich also. So but it's okay because
Mhm.
it's nowadays weather changing, so that's why sometimes it's happen. But yeah, I
Yeah, it's due to the season changing, you can say, that the weather changing. Many persons want to not habituated to sustain every situation, sometimes cold, sometimes hot. So before about yourself that you are doing a multiple job in one time, and it's my turn. That my name is Jaya. I am connected from Jharkhand. I have completed my post graduation in English literature, and recently I am working as a teacher. I am married person. I have two children, and I have couple of hobbies like traveling, reading book, and learning new skill of life. That's about myself.
wow, that's great. So how many places you covered all India? Like how many places you covered in India?
Definitely. I didn't get a chance to travel in South India, but in my future, definitely I will. If I will get chance, I will definitely visit Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. But till right now, I visited a lot of things. The North India, just like the Uttarakhand, Paschim Bengal, and I also visited Chhattisgarh, Uttar
Oh,
Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha,
oh,
Bihar, and I am from the Jharkhand, Paschim Bengal, many places. I enjoy a lot of things because when you travel many places, you can see the life, everything, and you
okay,
experience a lot of things. It's
okay.
unforgettable for your whole lifetime. It's the better way
So
to explore, exploring the life.
yeah, that's good. And so which places you are visited in Chhattisgarh?
Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh, Raipur,
Okay, yeah, Raipur. So there are, many
mhm,
temples and beautiful
many
temples
temples.
and river also. Yeah. And there are also mini Goa. You heard about you visited mini Goa and there are Mustangana, you know?
I
Yes.
never, I don't chance to visit all the places. My cousin brother lived there, Raipur, so I visited
Okay.
Raipur.
You must visited Mustangana and there are Budha Talab also and another, Bade Tariya and another I don't know, Jagannath temple also there were, and I
Yeah.
explored whole Raipur because my cousin brother he is staying in Raipur, so I think 2 months back I visited.
Definitely. Next time when I will visit, I will definitely explore all new things mentioned by you.
Yeah,
Thanks for this.
yes,
Then, ma'am,
yes. Okay.
you are uploading also Hindi video in motivational video. Yeah, only English.
Actually, I put Hindi motivational video. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I put Hindi motivational video because sometimes people's, Indian people wants to listen Hindi motivational video, so that's why. And sometimes, yeah, it's solo video related to English content. Why
Mhm.
I'm putting this kind of video, I explore on myself, so that's why.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Okay,
Ma'am,
so you are a mentor. Ma'am, you are a men's and you are a teacher. So which subject you are teach?
Actually, I teach 1 to 5 standard, so there is no any limitation of subject for teachers. We can attend any subject.
Okay, that's good. So you are a government teacher and private teacher.
Government.
Wow. So today you are leave.
Yes. Today, I spending time with my family and I took leave for some days.
Okay. So today any kind of festival in your Jharkhand side
No,
because
no,
no
our
any
government
fest.
provides 2 days special leave for every moment in 1 month.
Wow,
You can
that's
take
good.
this leave anytime.
Okay, but in my area, I don't know what is the, but in only, schools like festival season only leave and then it's like
No,
only
mostly
Sunday and festival season only. Yeah.
no. For only the women teachers, the government provide us 2 days leave, special casual leave. You can took this leave anytime, only 2 days in the month, and it should be the particular date. Just like I took this 11 and 12, the next month I will took this one also 11, 12, 13, 9 around this date. You
Wow, that's
understand?
great.
Mm.
Wow.
So
Okay,
I
so
am
ma'am,
trying.
you have any questions? So please you ask me.
Mhm. So that I am consider myself also an English learner, and I'm trying to do best in this field because I understand the value of English in every student's and every person's life. So could you suggest some things special which will help me to get a fluency and which will help for every learners they start recently ordering this language.
Okay, definitely. So you are asking very nice question. So well, in this era, I give your answer to you. So first of all, you are learning this language. So first of all, create a environment. But
Environment.
people say, yeah, state like I don't have any environment, so it's okay. In my side also, I don't have any environment, but I know English how to speak very easily just because I create environment on myself. So first of all, you are a beginner. So every day you read whatever you want to, like normal stories, and another thing like depend on you. You want to motivational video, you want to motivational books and non-fiction book, whatever you want to, like what you interested you have. Like some
According
people
to you.
interested to, according to person to person, like some people interested to cooking, like I'm very interested to cooking, so I learn sometimes related to kitchen vocabulary also. Like you are interested to explore new uh, like
Yes.
what I can say, cities and all. So that times you learn related to this kind of vocabulary. So also in our Indian people, so the first of all, what you are lacking, like I am a beginner labor, so I want to really learn this language. So first of all, whenever you read and write, so that time jotted down your diary. While you
Got
are
it.
jotted down your diary, so that times you understand, and you speak alone because sometimes we don't have any partner, so that times we want to, yes, speak, but we don't have any partner, so how to speak? Okay, this is question, every learner
Every
these
learner.
kind of person has. Okay, so there are number of application also, and they provide free talking, 30 minutes, 90 minutes. So there are
Definitely.
number of application. I am not promoting any kind of application, and you really want to utilize our you know time, and you want to really learn this language, so fine, like there are number of apps I will suggest. I'm not promoting, why I'm suggesting, just because people wants to talk any stranger. So you use Fluency app and another CB app also and another Habro app and even Skype app, and there are a number of WhatsApp group also. So you can go and talk whatever you want to. Like you particular you have any topic, any kind of topic. I'm not talking about whatever you want to, any kind of topic. Like
Any kind of
sometimes what happens, yeah, what happens sometimes we watch some normal story. So that times, you memorize your thoughts. Like today
yeah,
I watched one story, yes. So today I am sharing, like now we are discussing and now we are connecting. So that times, ma'am, now I have one story, so may I share my story? So that times you simply, yes, you can share. So once upon a time there are a big kingdom, and there were one king and one you mean to say king, and number of there are monks also. So these kind of story, whatever you want to in your mind, so you memorize your thoughts. And then, and sometimes what happened, like you are beginner and I am also beginner and no anyone correct. So sometimes you connect, like first you are a beginner, so you listen only simple English.
mm,
And then while you are listening simple English and you correct your simple English, and then you go for higher vocabulary. So first of all, what you are lacking and what is stage you are, first you understand your stage and then you jump to the another stage. This is my opinion.
yeah, I totally agree with you, ma'am, that you mentioned that first we should try to inculcate the habit of reading whatever according to your interest, and that time you jotting down the main where you are lacking the main words vocabulary, and we should try
Yeah,
to use this vocabulary,
yeah,
incorporate this word in our conversation. And the main thing is speaking. Whatever you know, try to speak, because many
yes,
people do the same mistake. They try to learn many, every grammars and many vocabulary, and after that they think that I will start to speaking. This is not a correct way to
yes,
learning this language. And another thing you mentioned that there is no excuse that I don't have an environment. You can make
yeah,
environment by if you have an internet connection, you have
yes,
everything, because you have a lot
yeah,
of content available on the YouTube. So many AI tools available. You can do practice with
yeah,
them. So you are totally right here. Thanks for sharing your
yes.
insight and good advice. It will help for every person and also help for me.
Yes, yes. Why? Because, ma'am, we have smartphone also, but we
Mm.
know how to use. But sometimes we are making excuse. Why we are making excuse? Just because we are, habitual to. We are interested to stick our comfort zone. So that's why we
You
are, I
have
want to learn English. Yes, we only thinking I want to learn English. I want to learn English. And you are doing nothing. So how is it possible to learn this language? This is not our mother tongue. It's second language. Like we are habitual to talking Hindi.
we are comfortable
Like
with this language.
yes, very comfortable, very comfortable. Like I am speaking, like मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ तो सट से आप बोलोगे कि हाँ तुम यहाँ यहाँ जा रही हो. Why? Just because we are a habitual. एक आप
Habituated.
बात करो वो, यस, एक आप बात करो हिंदी, वो आपको 10 बात करके जाएगा. Why?
Yes,
Just because, yes, just
you have
because we are a very comfortable. Yeah.
very comfortable. But if you
Yes.
have a burning desire, you can learn this language. It's totally up to you that how much you are curious to learn anything. Otherwise,
Yes.
the
Yes.
many persons are using this smartphone and every facility in the wrong way, playing the games and talking with the friends only without any matters. So it's totally up to you that how much you are curious to learn this language. Otherwise, there is no any excuse, and it's not impossible. You can learn if you reside anywhere, as the remote village
Yes.
area. Yesterday, I connected with a girl who is studying in 9 English standard, but she is speaking very well English. She is
Yes.
from the government school, but from the Bihar, you can understand the language of the Bihar. But her English is very good, just like the accent, pronunciation, everything is remarkable. I am impressed by her. So I realized that it's totally up to every
Yes.
person how
Just
you want
because
to.
of, ma'am, just because of nowadays people, very crazy about learn this language, you know.
Yeah,
And in my area, there are no any people want to talk. And while I'm speaking, so sometimes people, oh my God, why you are speaking? You look like a foreigner types. Yeah, these kind of like, people leg your, pull your leg. Why? Because
definitely.
I'm in, I'm habitual in Hindi, so you also should speak in Hindi. Don't speak in English. These kind of things, like, people create a demotivation type. So that's why, I ignore and while I connect my friends, so that time I'm speaking only Hindi. I'm not speaking in even single sentence. I'm not using in English. Why? Because while I speak, so that times pulling my leg. Why? Because they don't want to listen in English. They only listen Hindi. That's it. Yes. So how to utilize your
Another
language? Yeah, yeah, it depend on person to person. Like now we are connecting, so you
person,
speak and I'm in speaking, so both are like communicate very properly. So while you are speaking,
very
like
good.
I'm speaking in Hindi and you are speaking in English, so how to communicate people? It's not possible. So that's why, yeah, I use only in Hindi. Yeah, that's it.
Comfortable. And it also feel uncomfortable. So the
Yeah.
main benefit of the as fluency series such like the application, you can talk with the random person who will not judge you that you are making
Yes,
mistake,
it's true.
and you can come from your comfort zone and you can do practice without judgment, and you for the beginner it's very good, I think.